Hi guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. Here on this channel I do all kinds of nail content, and in today's video I just want to do a quick little disclaimer. Today's video is all about nail application. I saw another thumbnail. This is like a two-part kind of video, but yeah, let's just get started. I have some new builder gels from Madam Glam. First one is called Shimmer Pink Builder Gel, and it's just a beautiful pink color and it has a little shimmer in there. Next is Light Lavender, and I also remembered that I forgot to tell you guys they are also vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, HEMA free. They're all the great things that we love about Madam Glam. So if you really want to do builder gel and you have allergy, these are the builder gels I would suggest. So next up is Light Purple. I believe it's actually kind of pink. I'm gonna be honest, it's a little pink, but it's called Light Purple. I don't know what happened to the footage, but this is Rose Pink Builder Gel. As you can see, it's another rosy pink builder gel. Next is Shimmer White. I'm obsessed with this, you guys. I love it. It has a beautiful like white shimmer. It is so gorgeous. I really recommend this if you're looking for a white shimmer builder gel. Next up is Shimmer Nude. This is very brown or tan, however you want to put it. So this is a nice nude shade and will match a lot of skin tones. Here are all of the colors swatched out. If you want to try any of these builder gels, I'll have a link down in the description box down below that will take you directly to Madam Glam website. There is also a coupon code down there that can save you an extra 35% off. And if you don't want to be a VIP member once you check out, just hit pay as you go and then introduce that code at checkout. But let's just get started in today's video. Like I was saying earlier, this is just an application video. So these are my nails. These are like 2-3 sets ago. And I really wanted to try, everybody says it's not gel eggs method. So I really wanted to try the lazy girl method. I guess that's the appropriate term. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm prepping my nails. I really want a simpler method for my left hand, and I don't know, I like to build my nails. That's the only thing I can say, is I like to build my nails. So right here I'm supposed to be showing you my prep process, but as you can see, I keep calling this my left hand every time I film. This is my right hand, but I'm just prepping my hand and I'm just getting out of frame because this is my right hand, my dominant hand. I'm not really paying attention, but I've prepped that hand and I'm going to put on this dehydrator, and I'm also going to put on some primer next, and I do prime twice.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away. So
these are the square tips I'm going to use today. I do like these. I do cut these just slightly shorter. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna let you just enjoy the application. I'm just showing you I have two primers. I also have this primer. These are the two primers. No, I'm saying it wrong. I have certain primers designated just for this type of method. I do not like to use this on that tip, and because it's melting the tip essentially, and then put that on my hand as well. That's just a no for me. I do have two different primers. Two of them are actually designated for those tips, which is why I showed you guys those. So I'm not going to really go into what my application is because I don't like the method. I prefer to build my nails up. I don't know why. It's just that I'm not great at this. I always struggle with this, but I'm gonna go over a little bit. I did go ahead and base coat my nails and I scrubbed it in. I do a very thin layer. You do not need that much base coat because that base coat will burn. So once I do that, I do float the product into the tip and then I put it on my nail. I don't know if I wasn't using enough, or maybe, I don't know. I will say that I would prefer the poly gel from Madam Glam. Amazing product. I really like it. And for building my nails, I do love this builder gel because I did go ahead and I built my other set of nails, which I'll pop a picture up because I did film that, and that video is already out, I believe. So yeah, I do love to use theirs to build. the builder gel to build the nail. I do love the poly gel as well to build nails. I'm not good at this lazy girl method. I prefer to build the nails. So as you can see, this nail is a little small, and I realized that I put this on the wrong finger. This was actually supposed to go on my pointer finger. My mistake. So I took that off and I put that on my pointer finger. I did add a little bit more gel so it could stay on as well. And this nail and the ring finger is shimmer. However, I really didn't go into that because I do go back over these nails and kind of fill in that gap, because I'm purposely leaving a gap to fill in. And when I filled it in with the color that I'm using for the pointer, pinky, and thumbnail. So it accidentally became a solid color anyway. So that's why I really didn't go into the fact that I was using that shimmer color, and that's why it's different. Right now, I'm trying to blend the back part of that tip. Like I said earlier, I was going to fill in the back of these nails, and what I ended up doing was basically building up a thin layer on top of the press-on nail. So was it really the lazy girl method? I don't think so. But I've seen this technique on a lot of Asian nail channels, and I was like, that might actually work for me. And I don't think it will, because I just basically built the nail, and this leveled so nicely. I really enjoyed working with this builder gel. Like, I got the perfect shape without barely trying to do it. So yeah, I do recommend this builder gel. It self levels. If you are struggling, just flip your finger over and let the gel, well, gravity move the gel. So yeah, I do enjoy it, and I will do another application video if I can on me using this gel. I don't know if anybody is still watching, but I do want to mention something about the builder gels that I noticed. They're milky colored, if that makes sense. So it's a pink, but it's like a milky pink. It's a white, but it's a milky white. You guys kind of see what I'm saying? Even the lavender, it was very milky as well. So if you're looking for something like that, this is your builder gel. I hope they come out with more. I do know they have a few more colors that I don't have. I know I don't have the milky white, but yeah, that's really what I'm saying right here, is that I really enjoyed this builder gel. I love the consistency. This is the nails all filed up, and I do show you guys what the design is at the end. And I did break a nail, but I actually had to redo the application, and that's why I broke the nail, because I took them off and built them, because I told you I'm not good at this lazy girl method. But this is how the nails turned out. Thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.